student, welcome to your maths class. Today I am here with the topic factorization, which is related to chapter number 7. So here I have one method of factorization. So if one algebraic expression is given like 2x square plus 5x plus 3, nothing is common between them. Only these two between x is common, but there is not x. So we can't take x as a common from these three. So find other method कि no one is perfect square of any number. So the method here is that कि we will firstly we have to write the statement in ax square plus bx plus c form. In this form we have to write the statement like as first term must be x square, second x, and third one is without x. Okay, this type we have to arrange the statement. Now first term is having x square, x and constant term. This is called constant term which is not any power of x. So next is first and third. We have to multiply first and third. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So here is x square. So I will write x square with it. Now I have to find the two factors of 6 by which we add or subtract. I must get 5. कि मुझे ऐसे नंबर चाहिए जिनको मैं प्लस माइनस करके 5 आए बट प्रोडक्ट उसका 6 होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल मेक फैक्टर्स लाइक 2 into 3. व्हेन आई ऐड 2 and 3 my answer will be 5 and when multiply my answer is 6. So in place of 5x I am going to write here plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. Now next step is from first 2 I have to take common and from third and fourth I will take one number common. So here is common, 2 is also common and x is also common. So 2x. What remain here? Here 2 comes common, 1x common and 1x remain here. Next 2x outside, there remain only 1. What is common between these? 3 is common, so x plus 1 by taking common. Okay, now bracket is common between both factors. Now x plus 1 I will write as common factor. What remain inside? 2x plus 3. Next bracket is 2x plus 3. This is the next method. If we have nothing is common, then how we have to factorize the number? Next statement is 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Now same as multiply first and third. 2 into 2 is equal to minus 4. Now make factors of 4. What are the factors of 4? 4 factor is 1 into 4, 2 into 2. Now I have to check कि किसको multiply, किसको plus या minus करने से मेरा answer 3 आएगा. So 4 and 1, when I subtract this I got 3. Now look at here carefully कि this sign goes with larger number. कि जो j साइन होगा वो लार्जर नंबर के साथ जाएगा. इट मीन्स माइनस दिस विल बी प्लस. सो माई आंसर विल बी प्लस 1 इंटू minus 4 multiplication, but when I add plus 1 minus 4 my answer will be minus 3. So I will write in place of 3x is minus 4x plus 1x, minus 4x plus 1x, and next is minus 2, same as it is. Okay, now these two between I have to take one number common. Here is 2 common, so I am taking 2, and from these here is x square and here is x. X is common, so from this I will write x only, and when I take this common 2x, here remains only 2. There is nothing common between them, so 1 is common, so next number is x minus 2, same as it is. The best thing we have to see कि the bracket should be same, then we can check if our answer is right. When brackets are same, then I am taking it as right. Okay, now x minus 2 is common, remaining is 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the method. Now next question, if the statement is not in a standard form, so what I will do now? Now my statement is not in the standard form. Okay, firstly I have to do कि I have to write it in the standard form. Here is minus 2x square, minus 2x. First term will be x square. Next term will be x. So this will be plus 7x because nothing sign is here, so plus 7. Now next term is minus 6. Now what I will do? I will multiply first and third. My answer is 2 into 6, 12. Now 12. What are the factors of 12? 12 के factors क्या होंगे? 4 into 3, 6 into 2, and other factors we can find others. Okay. Now I have to check whose sum will be 7, and when I saw कि 4 and 3 sum will be 7, and when I add these I will get answer 7. So in place of this 7 I will write 4x and 3x minus 2x square. X with both the terms 4x and 3x plus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Now from these two take one thing common. Here is 2 common and x common. Inside minus x and plus 2. Next is 3 common, so x minus 2. Now look at my bracket is not same. Here is sign difference minus x and plus 2, x and minus 2. When I have to take the same sign कि bracket का sign same होगा तो I will take sign minus common and this minus comes here and sign will be changed. I have taken minus common from these and change the sign, so minus comes with 3 because 3 was of plus. 3 था जो plus का था तो minus common की उसके साथ minus आ गया. So my bracket is minus x plus 2 common bracket and outside is 2x minus 3. Okay, this is the new method of factorization. Practice of it, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Thank you.